Hi, welcome to my channel ShopZone. Are you looking for best top products on Amazon?
Number 4. PLA 3D Printer Filament, Sunlu Neatly Wound PLA Filament 1.75mm dimensional accuracy plus / 0.02mm, fit most FDM 3D printers, good vacuum packaging consumables, 1 kg spool, 2.2 pounds, 330 meters, PLA gray. About this item, Super Neat Filament Spool Sunlu 3D Printer Filament product line is equipped with an excellent self-developed neat winding device, 100% neat rate, no clogs, making filament easier to use. Sunlu PLA 3D Printer Filament PLA filament is the most basic, the most used filament, no clogs, no bubbles, no tangle. Sunlu PLA filament has good layer adhesion, very easy to use. 1.75 mm filament diameter dimensional accuracy plus / 0.02 mm Sunlu filament has wide compatibility due to the small diameter error, making it suitable for almost all 1.75 mm FDM 3D printers. Filament spool diameter 8.00, spool width 2.50, spool hub hole diameter 2.20. The size of the Sunlu filament spool is suitable for hanging on a lot of FDM 3D printers. Recommend settings: we recommend printing the PLA filament at nozzle temperature of 200 to 230 degrees Celsius, bed temperature of 50 to 65 degrees Celsius, and printing speed of 50-100 mm/s. Number 3. 3D Printer Filament, JAYO PLA Plus Filament 1.75 mm dimensional accuracy plus / 0.02 mm, 0.65 kg cardboard spool, 3D printing material fits for most FDM 3D printers, PLA Plus Black 650G. About this item, neatly wound filament adopting 100% neatly line up filament skill which produced with full mechanical winding and strict manual examination. Making sure JAYO PLA Plus 650G filament tidy and easy to be fed. Say goodbye to the tangling issue and unstable printing process. Toughness plus filament compared with PLA filament, JAYO PLA Plus FDM 3D printer filament has better toughness, higher strength, lower shrinkage, and lower warping, meeting your demands for different printing projects and bringing you a high-quality printing experience. High accuracy display with high precision diameter 1.75 mm, JAYO filament is highly compatible with the most FDM 3D printers, 3D pen, and dryer box. Its dimensional accuracy is plus or minus 0.02 mm, much easier to be fed into the printer with small error. No clog and bubble. JAYO PLA Plus filament has the advantages of no clogging and no bubble, thanks to dry for 24 hours before packaging and vacuum sealed with desiccant in a transparent bag. It can make your 3D printing objects. Number 2. JAYO PLA Plus Filament 1.75 mm, PLA Plus 3D Printer Filament 1.1 kg, dimensional accuracy plus / 0.02 mm, neatly wound filament, toughness 3D printing filament, 1.1 kg spool, 2.42 pounds, 363 meters, PLA Plus red. About this item, JAYO PLA Plus 3D Filament 1.75 mm compared with normal PLA filament, PLA Plus 3D printer filament is 10 times stronger. PLA Plus filament's better toughness, higher strength, lower warping and brighter color can make the printing result better. Neatly wound filament. JAYO PLA Plus 3D printer filament is neatly lined up, which can avoid filament tangling during the printing process, reducing the risk of clogging and greatly increasing the printing success. 1.75 mm filament diameter. PLA Plus 3D printer filament has 1.75 mm diameter, dimensional accuracy plus / 0.02 mm, accurate diameter making it suitable for almost FDM 3D printers. Clog-free and bubble-free. JAYO PLA Plus filament 1.75 mm has better flowability, which effectively. Number 1. eSUN PLA Plus Filament 1.75 mm, 3D Printer Filament PLA Plus, Dimensional Accuracy Plus / 0.03 mm, 1 kg spool, 2.2 pounds, 3D printing filament for 3D printers. White about this item, easy to print PLA Plus is an enhanced version of ordinary PLA. It has higher strength and better toughness, not easy to break. Low shrinkage, no deformation, no cracking, high printing precision. Made with starch raw materials derived from plant resources, ideal for indoor printing. High-speed printing meet the demands for high-speed printers. Continues consistently outstanding performance at high speeds. Compatible with Bamboo Lab X1/X1C/P1P Creolite K1/K1 Max and Anchor Make M5. Tangle-free and no plugging. Total length, 340-350 m. Full 1 kg 3D printer filament reel, perfect roundness and very tight diameter tolerance, good winding, does not overlap or tangle. Melt well, feed smoothly, and